morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just heading out west of Brisbane again today, or west-southwest out to a place called Boona in the Scenic Rim. Weather's looking pretty good, it's about 29 degrees Celsius. Forecast was for around this sort of temperature, but during the week they were saying 20% chance of rain, now saying 50% chance of rain, so 50-50 chance, so we'll take our luck. Doing something different this week, heading out to a little creek. As I said in my first video, when I grew up with my dad and my family, we always just camped on the sides of rivers. We never went to camping grounds. So for those who follow me on Instagram, you would have noticed last weekend I was out scoping areas to find a place to camp, and I think I found a pretty good little spot. I'm not sure the legalities of camping on the sides of rivers in Queensland. I know in Victoria my father said the rules were essentially you had 10 feet up the side of a bank or 3 metres either side of a river you could walk on, hike on and so forth, quite legally, regardless of whether it was private property or not. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, really looking forward to just getting to a camp by myself, to be honest, away from others, and we'll see how this little adventure pans out. So thanks for following me, and I'll talk to you at the campsite. Thanks guys. Okay guys, I've just set up camp here now. As you can probably hear in the background, I'm right beside a creek as usual. Lovely and cool down here. Just opposite me is a beautiful big waterfall. Probably sits at about 50 metres. I'll show you that now. And in front of me there's a big bluff wall. Really beautiful country. Very lucky to find this place, the original spot I wanted to go to. A local farmer pulled up and said, hey look, you can't actually camp here, but I'll tell you a secret spot that I know of, and that's where I'm sitting now. So let me just show you around, and then I'll talk to you more once I'm back at the campsite. Okay guys, welcome to my camp spot. Absolutely blessed this weekend. Went out here last weekend looking for somewhere wild to camp, somewhere in the bush, away from the camp spots and all the people, if you like. Scoped out a really nice little spot on the side of a creek. Looked absolutely perfect. But I got there the other day and there was a local farmer, who, lovely guy, pulled over and had a bit of a yarn. And unfortunately, he said, can't actually camp here anymore. He said, we used to allow people to come in here and camp, and he said, really disappointing. People would leave nappies, would you believe, and all sorts of rubbish here. And he said it just got out of control, so we had to stop people from camping here. But kept chatting to him about the area and what he was up to and so forth, and explained the sort of camping that I like to do and what I'm all about. And he was good enough to tell me about this particular spot. Now you would have seen some of the earlier footage of the waterfall here that I'm looking over now. You can hear that in the background. Absolutely brilliant. Doesn't run all the time, but he said if you go up this particular road and this way and that way, you'll get to this waterfall. He said there's plenty of camp spots there. Down behind me, down on the river, there's a whole bunch of people camping as well. But I'm up on the ridge line here and it's on a little saddle, and it's absolutely brilliant. Really love it. Got a nice cool breeze, nice cool weather, and I've had a cool off in the river and sat under the waterfall myself. So really lovely, really blessed. So yeah, just going to cool off now, have another beer, and I'll catch up with you guys at dinner time. Okay, let's get this dinner going, guys. A simple meal tonight, just another burger, chicken and something different. Something wonderful about cooking outdoors. You hear the old crows in the background. And then evening talk to their friends. Try to keep it simple when I'm just myself out here for one night. Don't want to go to too much trouble making what I would call a gourmet meal. Really not worth it, guys. Just keep it easy, less to clean, less to do, and taste wonderful. I don't know about you guys, but I always think onion tastes better with butter rather than just oil. Okay, let's see how this is going. Whoop. Bit of a soft spot. Looking for there. Yeah. Another gorgeous evening, guys. A little bit steamy, but hopefully the wind will pick up a little bit and just blow some of the moisture out, and we'll be away. Anyway, I'm just going to cook this up and I'll come back to you when it's done. Okay guys, had a bit of a problem with the fire tonight, but that's alright. A cool evening and wet ground doesn't help, so hence we're eating in the dark, but all good. So, lashings of butter, organised. Got egg in here. Beautiful. Gotta tell you, you can smell this, guys. It smells awesome. And there we have dinner. Okay guys, just going to wrap it up for today. As you can see, it's quite dark now. GoPros don't really go that well in the dark, so just wanted to say thank you to all my 11 subscribers. Always appreciate that, guys, really do. We'd love to have more subscribers, obviously, a few more likes, just to get the channel out there a bit more, pushing it out. But hey, it's getting a few views and that is fantastic. So look, just wanted to say thanks again, guys, and I'll see you all for the morning for breakfast. Talk to you then. Morning guys, 6:30 in the morning, sun's just coming up as you can see from the hill behind me here. Absolute cracker of a day. Beautiful blue skies, not a cloud in the sky. Just got my little fire going here. I'll get that toast and buns up for breakfast whilst I finish my coffee. And yeah, looks like it's going to be a fantastic day to be in the mountains. I'll chat to you once I've got some breakfast going. G'day guys, decided that it wasn't worthwhile filming breakfast this morning. Once I had a bit of a feed, I decided it would be better to actually get out and go over to Lake Moogra just to scope out some more areas along a few more creeks and rivers. So just come along for the ride and enjoy the Scenic Rim region here in Queensland, and I'll chat to you once I get there. Thanks guys. Okay guys, just like we had to Lake Mugara, wherever you pronounce it, on the way home. Stopped in for a coffee. So just gonna wrap it up for this week. Thank you for following me again, coming along for my adventure. Probably the best one I've done so far as location is concerned. Scoped a few more places on the way as well, so looking forward to finding some more places as we get out and about. But thank you all my subscribers, thanks for people who are watching, and look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Thanks guys.